Hi friends, welcome to the class. Today we are going to discuss three-dimensional representation of organic molecule. That means we can represent a particular organic molecule in 3D. This is a part of stereochemistry. For the representation, there are certain rules. We can follow certain rules. Actually, the first one is the carbon atom. We are considering the carbon atom and its hybridization should be tetrahedral. That means for the representation we are considering sp3 hybridization, and sp3 hybridization is corresponding to tetrahedral geometry. And second criteria is carbon atom should be chiral. This carbon atom should be chiral. Then what do you mean by chiral or chiral carbon? Chiral carbon means carbon atom is attached with four different groups of atom. Here the center carbon is attached with or bonded with A, B, C and D. The four groups are different. So this is a minimum condition for the representation of 3D. This is the representation of a chiral carbon. The star marking represent this carbon is chiral. Then three-dimensional. What are the three-dimensional representation? There are four representations are mainly possible. Wedge formula. It is otherwise called wedge dash formula, Fisher projection formula, Sohor's formula, and Newman formula. And these are the four representation of three-dimensional view of an organic molecule. What do you mean by wedge formula? Wedge formula is actually represent an organic molecule like this manner, in which this is a chiral carbon and it is attached with four different groups of atom. And on looking this structure, we can observe there are two types of bonds are majorly present, and this is a simple bond. That means there are three kinds of bonds are present in case of a wedge formula, and first one is normal lines or simple lines. These two are simple lines. Simple lines indicate bonds are present in the plane of paper and which there is no projection. In this case, this is a normal line or normal bonds. Then these broken lines or dashed lines represent bonds present behind the plane of paper. That means this bond means C is bonded with C. This bond is actually present in behind the plane of paper. It is projected behind the plane of paper. And next, this solid line or thick line represent the bond coming out of the plane. The bond looks like it is coming out of the plane or towards us position. This is behind the plane position. This is towards us position. And this is actually the wedge formula. We can represent majorly three types of projection. One we are using broken lines, one we are using a solid line. For example, this is a simple example. Substituted methane. We know that this is the structure of methane. C is bonded with H and H, but this is not chiral. And we can replace this H by some other groups. Then we get chiral, in which carbon is attached with four different groups: CH3, C6H5, OH, H. This is a chiral carbon. Then this is a representation of wedge formula. We can observe two types of bonds. One is facing towards us, one is behind the plane. This is a normal line, and this is a perfect example of a wedge formula. Then second one is Fisher projection formula. This is actually the representation of a Fisher projection formula. This dot represent actually chiral carbon, or this is star marking represent chiral carbon. And there are two kinds of bond present here. One is vertical bond and one is horizontal bond. Carbon is attached with D and C are vertical bond. Carbon is attached with A and B are horizontal bond. Vertical bond represent actually groups are away from us. Same concept you are applying. Bonds are behind the plane of paper or away from us. And horizontal bond, this horizontal bond represent the groups are oriented towards us position. Groups are oriented towards us position or projecting towards us. These are the two kinds of bond present in Fischer projection formula. We can take the same example, substituted methane. In case of substituted methane, we know that normally methane structure is like this. So we can replace the hydrogen, we get a structure like this. Here carbon is attached with 4 different groups. This is the chiral carbon, the star marking representing chiral carbon. And here there are some two types of bonds are present, horizontal bond and vertical bond. And this is a perfect and simple example of Fischer projection of substituted methane or Fischer projection formula.